Today I'm going to explain to you how to create an assignment and add supporting documents on Google Classroom. I'm a sophomore English teacher and I've been using Google Classroom this school year, and there are a lot of things about it I really like. It's a great way to have kids access assignments, to access links that you want them to see, and to turn things in all in one place. So you can see I've already set up all of my classes. They're all here on one home page for me, and that's as simple as getting access from, in our district, from our administrator so that we can create a Google Classroom account and then inviting students to join. So once I have that set up, I'm ready to create assignments. So I'm going to click on the class that I want to create an assignment for, and you will see an assignment tab. So I'm going to click the assignment tab, and I'm going to have kids do some article responses. They're going to read some New York Times articles, and they're going to respond to them to connect with some of the books that we're reading. So for my description, I'm going to ask them to read the articles and complete the worksheet. And I'm going to put the links to the articles and the worksheet right on this website. So now I'm ready to attach my documents. Now I can link to an article, a document that's in another drive on my computer. I can do a YouTube video, or I can link directly to a website. But I'm going to link to documents that are on my Google Drive. So I'm going to click Attach Google Drive Item. And then I'm just going to search for what I need. And I want New York Times articles on racism is what I'm looking for. So that's the document that has the links in it to the articles that I want the students to read. And I'm going to leave that so that students can view that file. They'll be able to access the links, but they won't be able to edit it. Now I'm going to attach the worksheet, which is also on Google Drive. So I click the same thing, and I'm going to search for that, and I see my worksheet right here. So I am going to upload that, and I want to change that though. Instead of having students view it, I'm going to click Make a Copy for each student. So when I click that, every student will get on their screen for Google Classroom, they will have a copy of a worksheet which then they can fill in and turn in. And it's a great way they can do it. They can fill it in right online and they can turn it in, and they'll each have their own copy. One thing to note is when you when you attach documents, you have to do that when you initially create the assignment. So once you've got your documents there, you're just going to simply click Assign. And then it becomes public for the students and they can access them. So now the student can access the documents, they can access the links, they can get to the website, and they can open up the worksheet and they can fill it in online, and then they can turn it in. Now, once it gets turned in on my screen, what I will see is I'll click on the assignment title. I go to the next screen and I have everyone's name and the status, and when they complete it, it will say done, and I will then be able to open their document. I can put a grade, I can return it to them, I can ask them if I want them to change it, I can give them a comment and they can resubmit. Everything then goes into a folder for that particular assignment on my Google Drive. So it's a great way to keep things organized and accessible for me and for them. So that's how it works. And you can see that you can upload lots of different things. You can also have kids respond right under assignments if you like. And by the same token, when kids turn things in, they can also attach links to their assignment. So if they've done a Storify or they've done a Prezi, they can attach that and turn it in. So it's a great way, if you're using technology, it's a great way to keep everything in one place so that kids can access it anywhere that they have the internet. So please don't be afraid to give it a try. It's a really great tool.